What are we calling these? The Jordan 3 Freebase? What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Jordan 3 Pure White. Now this shoe is based off of, and it's very similar to, the Jordan 3 Pure Money, which first released back in 2007 and has a little bit of similarity to the Jordan 3 Silver Anniversary, which also released in 2010. There's some slight differences between the two, so it's not a true retro, but the differences aren't big enough to where, unless you have seen both shoes, you can't think of the differences right off the top of the bat, except for the icy outsole. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Jordan 3 box, the cement box with the elephant print and the Jordan brand logos on the top and side. And the color code is white, white, and white. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features an all white upper with clear translucent detailing in various parts of the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you have a white elephant print toe box, as well as the more smooth leather above that, and you have a white tumble leather toe cap. For the tongue, you've got a perforated leather tongue, with the top of the tongue being tumble leather, and you have a white Jumpman logo on the tongue tag. The insole is white with a white Jumpman, and it's kind of hard to see. I don't know if it's picking it up or not, but it's a white Jumpman in the middle. You have a white tumble leather upper, as well as the smooth leather detailing below it, and you have the perforated leather for the eye stays with clear translucent eyelets. Also, you have a clear Jordan Jumpman hang tag, which I think is really nice. For the heel, you got the elephant print wrapping around the heel, as well as a white plastic back tab and a white Jumpman logo. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the white tumble leather upper, the perforated panel, and the clear translucent eye stays, and you've got the smooth leather detailing and the elephant print by the heel. You've got a white on white midsole with the exposed Nike Air unit, and you've got an icy translucent outsole. The white on white look for Jordans is a clean look for about 2 hours, and once it gets dirty, that's it. And being that this is a white on white shoe, anything and everything will get this dirty. And it looks like the quality on this shoe isn't the best, because on my midsole you can already see it cracking, and I haven't even worn the shoe yet. It's a really hard shoe to keep clean. This is best as a display piece, but not a regular display piece. You have to put it in the glass and everything, and for all of that, it's not worth it. I do like this clear translucent hang tag though, which basically can be achieved if you have like a regular Jumpman hang tag. Just get some acetone to it, but the fact that this comes like that is a really nice touch. Now let's get some detail looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Jordan 3 Pure White hits Nike retailers at Nike.com on July 21st for a retail price of $190. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.